In this lecture, we'll see how to create custom user model. So we have just indentation error, nothing else, but okay, we have solved it. Okay, fine. So just again make migrations. Actually the model is already created, so it won't create again, so no changes. And after that make migration, after that migrate, and okay, fine. So it will generate all the tables into the database and the necessary things which it want to display the proper models. And after that create super user. Okay, fine. So whenever we have created our user, then the message shown over here was different, but now this username is displayed as per our username. Okay, fine. Just enter the username. If I enter the username, but it could not be. Okay, fine. So I am putting slash over here. Okay, the field cannot be blank, which is the okay, I am giving slash, enter. Okay, so we have provided the validation username must contain only alphanumerical and any of the following. We put the slash, so it gives us an error. So if we put admin @ it will generate, it will create a user, but if we put hash, then it won't. Again provides us an error. So admin, let's just create a user admin, then admin, enter. In default user, in default Django, we can leave the email address as blank, but here we cannot be blank, we cannot put email as blank, because here we put the email as required field. Fine. So just we need to give test @ test, anything you want. So fine. Password, it doesn't matter much, but you need to give it. Okay, fine. Again run server python manage.py server, hit enter and hit the URL, hit URL in the browser, and okay, fine. Go to the admin, just giving the admin credentials. Okay, it's not working actually. Okay, it is case sensitive, so okay, fine. So it's not working, so I need to create super user. Okay, actually we have defined, so test. Okay, again run server and try this out. Fine, close it, and okay, great. Admin, and just want to make sure that there is some mistakes. Actually username field is the username, but okay, so first we need to create user, we need to give a username, and after that username, and just checking it that all is proper. So okay, fine. And abstract based user need something that is permissions like this. Okay, so let's just run server again, make migrations, migrate, run server, and again admin. Okay, fine. So subclasses of abstract based user must provide a get short name method. Okay, fine. So what does this mean? Whenever we call this abstract based user, we need get full name and get short name. So just go to this, and when we go to the 1.11 full example, then we see this methods which is deprecated in Django's 2.0. so actually we are using 1.11, so we should follow 1.11 Django's documentation. Just go to the code and just paste it over here. Okay, fine, fair enough. So just going to put the email over here and username. Just go to the terminal and again some indentation error is there, so just make sure that okay, because we have created, so just go again there and super user creation, we want make migrations, return cell.email 67 line. Now line is changed 69. Okay, fine. So we need to again, okay, so after that make migrations and again migrate. After that run server and just go to the browser and just hit enter. Okay, fine. So just log out and log in again. Okay, we need to provide email address over here. Fine. So my users, okay, if I click on the my users, then okay, this is because we make mistake at the admin panel. So okay, username not in this but over here might be, because username, email, password. Okay, fine, not matter much, but we want username over here as well. So username, just be careful to override your data. Username, okay, fine. So just refresh it, just refresh the page. Okay, actually we missed the, okay, fine. Okay, save and again run the server, again enter and fine. Actually we'll see what's the problem, but as of now you can create your own user by add my user, and this is our custom fields which we have created by our own. So just pause this video and create your own custom user model and extend it with the admin user. So by clicking on add my user, and here you can add all your fields which we want to use to register a user or log in your user. So by extending this, you can extend this in the login and registration view which we have seen already. So if you have any doubt, let us know, otherwise keep going. We have seen Django's admin user model. In next lecture we'll see how to create login view.